Hello guys, today I am going to introduce a function block which I have developed in GX Woirks-3 software of Mitsubishi Electric controlling platform, PLC control platform. And here the toggle function block which I have developed. This is purely developed for the toggle push button function. That means the push button feature, the one time push button action will create a toggle type of output at every instance of pushing of every instance. So just start. You will understand what I am going to explain you. So just this is a function block, and I am going to put a so here I just put up one input, making a local variable, and here I am again creating a output. Let's see, with the name of sorry. So just see, in this I am going to now convert, going to rebuild is okay, and then I am just starting the simulation. The simplicity, I am here. Okay, so here the output is on. Just as initial, this output is on. You can use this output in a reverse form if it is required for your application. So it's up to you. It's not a big deal. So I am just toggling it, push and down. So get it off. Then next instance I am press and released. It is getting on. Again pressed and released. Again pressed and release, press, release. So this is the function which we mostly want to use in our application. And just see here, this push button feature of this input is creating an output in a toggle format. So it is not a permanent type of input toggle function which we generally forced to apply, but here you can make this feature with a push button also. So this is the advantage, and SOP I can say it as a SOP of the of this function, and hope it will make you to develop a very good logic instead of going repetitive putting a repetitive logic every time. It's better to put this function block, and you can just focus on the application. So thank you guys, bye.